Infiniti rear brake pads. Driver's side, you just remove that access panel so you can get to your brake reservoir. I like to remove the cover so I can wash my fluid. 21mm lug removes your lug nuts. Take off your tire. Alright, put your car in the air, get your jack stand. You have two 14mm, but you're only going to need to remove the bottom one. That'll make you be able to flip your caliper up. So let's take out that bottom 14mm. Alright, so I just use my ratchet. I'm gonna use my Milwaukee. It's a pin type. Take it all the way out. Gonna need to grease this in the long run. I can just hold your caliper. It'll flip up like that. Remove your old brake pads. I'm gonna use one old brake pad and a C-clamp to compress this piston. I'll show you now. Brake pad, C-clamp, turn clockwise, compress your piston. Alright, piston's been compressed. Just gonna apply a little grease around this edge here of the piston caliper, or the piston and the caliper, and also to your pin. So let's grease those now. Alright, piston's been greased, pin's been greased. Now this pad here, it's gonna be your inside pad, the one that has the wear strip. Basically your pad just goes in just like that. Same thing for the inside. Alright, new pads are in. Just gonna flip back down your caliper now. Push it in just a little. Make sure that rubber boot is underneath there. Take your pin. Push it back in. Start threading it by hand. And you can tighten with your ratchet after that. Alright, once you get that 14 back tight, you can double check the top one. Same process on the other side. Put back on your wheel and tire, cover back your reservoir, pump your brake pedal before you move off. And that's the Infiniti rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.